Yeah, dear students, everybody, welcome to Sri Chaitanya Bridge classes. How are you all, guys and girls? All of you, welcome here to Sri Chaitanya Bridge classes. Right? Hope you are all doing good. Fine. Yeah. So, dear students, we have been discussing about trigonometry. In trigonometry, in the last couple of classes, we have covered trigonometric ratios. So, trigonometry stands for trigoniometron. That means measuring an triangle. In the sense, the very purpose of trigonometry is to study the properties or the relations between the sides and angles of a triangle. But of course, we use this trigonometry in variety of topics in various situations. Right? So, let us go into our class, today's class. Before that, all of you please, find text everyone, number, be non-negative, number is the ruler of the universe, right? So, mod x function is always non-negative, correct? Right? Yesterday, when we are trying to, allied angles problems when we are doing, I have given a point where most of the students will be doing calculation error, that is old is gold. Say once again, old is gold. Quick. Come on. All of you text here, guys. Old is gold. Old is gold. Good evening, Charan. Bindu, good evening. Nikhil, good evening. Yes, right, guys. Chalo. So, after trigonometric ratios related certain points, shall we go to the next topic, that is compound angles, guys? Right? Shall we go to compound angles? Everyone? Yeah, old is gold. Old is gold. Old is gold. Fine. Oh. Naruto, old is, you kept gold coins. Okay, good evening, Azit. Fine, guys. So, compound angles related to trigonometry is our today's discussion. And dear students, in compound angles, before I start compound angles, all of you try to text this. Yesterday I have written root of x square. What is the answer? Root of x square. Come on. Root of x square. What is the answer? Let me see, guys, here. All of you please text the answer. Root of x square. Root of x square. When will college be open? Very soon. Okay. Root of x square. Please try to give the answer, guys. Root of x square. Mod x, that's right. Yesterday most of the students texted x. Now I am very happy that all of you almost have given the right answer. It is mod x. Root of x square is mod x. This is very important concept which we frequently use in problems. This, otherwise it will definitely take you to the wrong answer. Correct? Fine. Next, dear students, coming to trigonometry, compound angles means, dear students, we know trigonometric ratios for certain angles like 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 45 degrees, 90 degrees, 0 degrees and all. Now, what about the trigonometry for compound means combination of angles? You see, if AB are two angles, A plus B is a compound angle, A minus B is a compound angle, A plus B plus C is a compound angle. Now we are going to derive formulae for, so trigonometric ratios when combination of angles are taken, how to calculate all these things we are going to see, guys. Are you all ready? Trigonometry for compound angles. So for that, everyone, are you all ready, guys? All of you give a thumbs up here. Let me see. Show your readiness here. All of you give a thumbs up. Let us start with infinite energy. Let me see, guys. Quick, come on. So now, yes, first of all, we shall try to derive this formula cos of sum of two angles A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. This is the first formula that we need to derive, guys. Cos of A plus B, yeah. Cos of A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Friends, two steps. Do you want the proof of this, or shall I go to the next steps? So just it's all based on you. You tell me. So with the help of this, we will be deriving all the other formulae, guys. So now let me. You want to prove this or not? Shall I give the proof, or shall we just go with taking the formula granted? What do you say, guys? Quick, respond. Proof. Okay. Srikar, I expected you will ask for proof. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Shinchan. Everyone wants proof. Fine, dear students. So everyone, all of you see this. It takes just 3 to 4 minutes to prove this. All of you listen to me. I am going to prove this formula, with the help of which we can derive all the other formulae. In fact, you are going to derive all the other formulae in this class. Okay, guys? Okay. So Ammu, don't worry. It just takes 2 to 3 minutes. Right. So first of all, let us take a circle with center. I am going to derive this. You see here. Let us take xy axis. Take a circle with center 0, 0, radius 1 unit. Suppose this is the circle. Now, dear students, you suppose this is angle A given. You take angle A. This is angle A. So can you guess what about this point? You know this is going to be cos A comma sin A. I think physics sir might have told, if you take a circle with center 0, 0, radius R, if the angle made by positive x-axis is R, it is going to be R cos theta, R sin theta. Correct, guys? So this is cos A comma sin A is going to be this one. Now you just take another angle B, that is on A you take B, guys. Okay, you see, suppose this is here, I have taken this angle B. So that means from this one, what is the total angle? A plus B. So this point will become cos of A plus B comma sin of A plus B is going to be this point. Right, everyone? Clear? The next, of course, this point is 1 comma 0. From here, you just come down some B angle down. Suppose from here if you take B angle down, we call it as minus B. This point will become cos of minus B comma sin of minus B, this point. Correct? Now, dear students, it's very simple to see. What we can do is, you see, yeah, you just join these two. So this is origin, this is A, this is B. OAB is a triangle. You just join these two. This is P, this is Q. You see, triangle AOB, triangle POQ. You just see in these two triangles, guys, this angle is A plus B, this angle is A plus B magnitude wise, and this is radius 1 unit, radius 1 unit, radius 1 unit, radius 1 unit. By SAS property, they are congruent. If they are congruent, I can say that AB length is equal to PQ length. That means AB square is equal to PQ square. You just find AB square, guys. 1 minus cos of A plus B whole square plus sin of A plus B whole square. This is equal to, what about this square, guys? Cos A minus cos B whole square, okay, plus sin A plus sin B whole square. Now you just expand this, guys. You just expand this. You are going to get the result now. You see, you just expand. You are going to derive this result now. We got the result almost. Friends, we can say this is, if you expand, 1 is there. Cos square a plus b plus sin square a plus b, 1 more 1. This is minus 2 cos of a plus b is equal to cos square a plus sin square a is 1. Cos square b plus sin square b is 1. Here you will get, you see, cos of a plus b. This is minus 2 cos a cos b, minus 2 cos a cos b plus 2 sin a sin b. Okay, now if you compute, plus 2 cancel, minus 2 you take common and cancel, you are going to get cos of a plus b is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. This is the only lengthy derivation, guys. This is the only lengthy derivation with the help of which those who understand this derivation, it is fine. If somebody felt the derivation is lengthy, difficult, leave it, no problem. If you don't know the proof, no issue, not so important for exam, but if you know the proof, you will have really enjoy the beauty how other formula come also you can understand. Right everyone? Clear? So we have derived the formula, say all of you friends, cos of a plus b. What is the formula? Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. This is the formula. Cos of a plus b formula. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Now dear students, from this can you derive cos of a minus b formula? Do anyone give the idea to derive this formula? I know cos of a plus b. I want formula for cos of a minus b. Any idea, guys? Any idea? I know cos of a plus b. I want cos of a minus b. Any idea? Anyone suggest some idea to derive this, guys? Yes, please. Any idea? Yes, yes. Why do in the above formula, why don't you replace b by minus b? Just replace b by minus b so that this term is cos a, cos of minus b is cos b itself minus sin a, sin of minus b will become minus sin b, which makes this is plus sin b. Clear everyone? Do you understand how this formula has come? Cos of a minus b formula, cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Right everyone? Right? Yeah. Now after this, guys, let us go with another formula, sin of a plus b. Can somebody give me idea to derive this formula? I want formula for sin of a plus b. I know these two formulae. From this, can I derive formula for sin of a plus b? Come on quick. Any idea? Any idea? Any idea? Many of you didn't like the video. Like the video. Like the video. Subscribe to the channel, Sri Chaitanya channel. You will be getting the updates time to time regarding JEE exam. Many informations you will be getting. So like the video, subscribe it. Yes, Srikar, you have given the right idea. So sin of a plus b if you want, guys. So why can't we write it as, you see, I am going to derive this, dear students. Yes, Srikar has given an idea. Let me write here. I want formula for sin of a plus b. I already know for cos of a plus b. Can I write 90 degrees minus of a plus b? Can I write? Sin theta, I can write like sin cos 90 degrees minus theta. Correct? Cos 90 degrees minus theta in the sense, you can write 90 degrees minus a minus b. You can write. So it is like cos of a minus b. You write cos A will become sin A, cos B will become this, plus sin of this will become cos A sin B. So this becomes, dear students, sin of A plus B is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. That's all. So from this formula itself you can derive sin of A plus B formula. What is that? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Clear everyone? Clear? Just replace sin, you try to write in terms of cos, you are going to get this. Fine everyone? Yeah. Now from this, can you please give the formula for sin of A minus B? Now you can do, guys. So how to get the formula for sin of A minus B? Come on quick. How to get the formula for sin of A minus B? Yes please. Quick, quick, quick. Yeah. Sin of A minus B. For that, you see, anyhow you have formula for sin A plus B. Replace B by minus B. Correct, Shriya? Replace B by minus B. This becomes sin A. Cos of minus B is cos B itself, plus this is cos A. Sin of minus B will become minus sin B. So this is the formula. Right everyone? Clear? Sin A? Yes. So these are compound compound angles related trigonometric formulae. So dear students, I have written here, you see, first formula is cos A plus B is. All of you just recall these four formulae. Cos of A plus B. Quick, quick, recall once. Cos of A plus B, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos of A minus B, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Sin of A plus B, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin of A minus B is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Right everyone? Clear? After this, guys, I want to derive formula for tan of A plus B. Any idea? Any idea, guys? Tan of A plus B I want. Any idea to get? Okay, Pavani, good. Any idea? Yes. You see, tan of A plus B means, let me write sin of A plus B by cos of A plus B. So sin of A plus B formula will become sin A cos B plus cos A sin B divided by, this is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. In this stage, to represent the answer in terms of tan, there is a small idea we have. To get the answer in terms of tan, there is a small idea, guys, that is, you just divide the numerator and denominator with cos A cos B. You just divide the numerator and denominator with cos A cos B. If you divide this term with cos A cos B, you will get sin A by cos A, which is tan A, plus if you divide here also, you will get tan B by cos A cos B will become 1 minus here you will get tan A tan B. Got it everyone? Tan of A plus B formula, guys. Tan of A plus B formula, what is the answer? Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Clear? Clear everyone? Tan of A plus B formula, tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B, right? Suppose if you want formula for tan of A minus B, what is the idea, guys? Tan of A minus B, what is the idea? Come on quick. Tan of A minus B, what is the idea? Yeah. Replace B by minus B. replace b by minus b. Okay, so in this becomes tan a, tan of minus b is minus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan of minus b is minus tan b, which makes it plus. So tan of a plus b formula, guys, it becomes tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b, or tan a minus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Clear everyone? Clear? Clear? So guys, come to this list, tan of a plus b, tan of a minus b formula. In the same way, I want formula for cot of a plus b. Same, cos of, you write cos of a plus b by sine of a plus b. You just divide with sin a sin b. You will get cot of a plus b, cot of a minus b formula also. Clear everyone? So cot of a plus b will become cot a cot b minus 1 by cot b plus cot a, whereas cot of a minus b will become cot a cot b plus 1 by cot b minus cot a. Fine everyone? Right? So friends, this particular slide we have given. So 1 by tan of a plus b, Bhargav Sai, rather that proceed the same, cos by sine, divide with sin a sin b, you will get these things. Okay? So all together 4 plus 4, 8 formulae. Hope everyone are perfect with the formulae. Clear? Everyone are perfect with the formulae. Clear everyone? Right? Right everyone? Right, next. So after this, before we come to this, try to see this question, dear students. What is the answer for this? We'll do couple of questions and move back to synopsis. Okay, chalo. What is the answer for this question? Everyone please try. What is the answer? What is the answer for this? All of you please respond. What is the answer for this? Quick, quick, quick. Are you able to answer? Yeah. What is the answer for this question, guys? All of you please answer. Okay. Good. That's nice. Right. In this question, I am going to apply a logic, guys. I am going to apply a logic, a simple point. You see, one we can say shortcut or result, that is, if a plus b is 45 degrees pi by 4, then the result is 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b value is going to be 2. Please make a note. Please make a note. If a plus b is equal to pi by 4, you can write 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b is equal to 2, guys. The logic is simple. You just take a plus b is equal to pi by 4, apply tan on both sides, tan of a plus b is equal to tan pi by 4 1. Tan of a plus b will become tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b is equal to 1. Correct? Now what you can do here is just multiply here tan a plus tan b is equal to 1 minus tan a tan b, so that you can write into tan a tan b is equal to 1. Now you just add 1 on both sides, so that you see LHS you can write 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b, this is going to be 2. Correct? So dear students, I mean to say here, all of you, if A plus B is equal to 45 degrees, if A plus B is equal to 45 degrees, you can say that 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B is equal to 2, correct? Right? So now come to this question. If you know this result, guys, yes, what is your doubt? Yeah. So here you see 33 degrees and 12 degrees. Sum is 45. 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B is going to be 2. Even here also 18 plus 27, it is going to be again 45. The sum is 45. So this is going to be, yeah, this is going to be 2. So these two cancelled, it is going to be 1. Correct? Correct, everyone? Correct? Yeah. So I mean to say, guys, here, so if A plus B is equal to pi by 4, the answer is 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B is equal to 2. Try to remember as a result. Okay. Next, can somebody answer this question? This is plus actually. The question is, yeah, this is minus. This is minus. This is minus. All of you try this question. Yeah. This is minus. So what is the answer, guys? Try to answer this question, everyone. Tan 8a minus tan 5a minus tan 3a is equal to k times tan 8a, tan 5a, tan 3a. What is the value of k? Come on. Yes, A, B, C, D options are given. So all of you just give the response. Let me see, guys, here. All of you please respond in the chat. Come on. Yes. Fine. You see, guys, before we answer this question, you are perfectly correct. You are perfectly correct. Before we answer this question, come to this observation, guys. Tan of A plus B, just now I told, if A plus B is 45 degrees or even 225 degrees also, if you apply tan, you are going to get 1, and hence this is the result. If you apply the cot, you are going to get this result. This is not so important, leave it. So these two are important. Then next, yeah, most importantly, you see, guys, so to answer this question, what about the formula for A plus B plus C? You see, this is the formula for sine of A plus B plus C. Arey yaar, how to derive formula for sine of A plus B plus C? You can just take B plus C as one angle, A as one angle, you can expand. So I don't want to trouble you with these two formulae, but here my important formula is tan of A plus B plus C. It's very, very important, guys. All of you see, if you want tan of A plus B plus C, you can write A plus B plus C, so that you will get tan A plus tan of B plus C by 1 minus tan A into tan of B plus C. Okay, right? So, dear students, tan of B plus C, again you can write like tan B plus tan C by 1 minus tan B tan C. If you replace that, finally you will get the formula like tan A plus tan B plus tan C minus of tan A, tan B, tan C by 1 minus of tan A, tan B plus tan B, tan C plus tan C, tan A. So this is very, very important formula, guys. All of you see, tan of A plus B plus C formula, all of you try to remember. Yeah, tan of A plus B plus C formula is, you see, it is like S1 minus S3 by 1 minus S2. We can try to remember with the help of this. S1 means sum of 1 terms, that is tan A plus tan B plus tan C, minus S3 means 3 terms, tan A, tan B, tan C, by 1 minus S2 means 2 terms, tan A, tan B plus tan B, tan C plus tan C, tan A. Clear everyone? Clear? So now from this most important point, what if A plus B plus C is n pi? N pi means like pi, 2 pi, 3 pi. For those values, this becomes tan becomes 0, so numerator is 0, so S1 is equal to S3 will happen. Got it? S1 is equal to S3 will happen, right? If A plus B plus C is n pi, you are going to get S1 is equal to S3. Okay. The next, if A plus B plus C is odd multiple of pi by 2, you know, like pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, tan is not defined. That means denominator is 0. That means you will get S1 is equal to S2. You see, this implies in terms of tan, S1 is equal to S3. This implies S2 is equal to 1. Please try to remember these two results, guys. Once again, important result. What is formula for tan of A plus B plus C, guys? Tan of A plus B plus C is nothing but S1 minus S3 by 1 minus S2. Once again, S1 minus S3 by 1 minus S2. If A plus B plus C is n pi, S1 is equal to S3. That means tan A plus tan B plus tan C is equal to tan A, tan B, tan C. If A plus B plus C is odd multiple of pi by 2, you will get like S2 is equal to 1. That means tan A tan B plus tan B tan C plus tan C tan A is equal to 1. Correct? The same way, guys, in the same way, cot also you can derive. Cot of A plus B plus C, if you derive, guys, you will get here also S1 minus S3 by 1 minus S2 itself. That means in terms of cot here, cot A plus cot B plus cot C minus cot A cot B cot C by 1 minus of cot A cot B plus cot B cot C plus cot C cot A. Now here also, if A plus B plus C is n pi, so cot is not defined, so it implies S2 is equal to 1 in terms of cot, If A plus B plus C is odd multiple of pi by 2, so cot is 0, so numerator is 0, you will get S1 is equal to S. Please try to observe the difference between these two. In terms of tan, guys, in terms of tan, why? Okay, right? So everybody respond here, guys. Important result. If I have given formula for tan of A plus B plus C, cot of A plus B plus C. Okay. If tan of A, okay, let me repeat. You see here I derived formula for tan of A plus B plus C. Once again, this result is here, guys. So this result is here. All of you see this. Here I have written. Listen to me carefully, guys. All of you listen to me carefully. You have to see two formulae, that is tan of A plus B plus C. This is nothing but S1 means tan A plus tan B plus tan C minus tan A tan B tan C by 1 minus S2. S2 means tan A tan B plus tan B tan C plus tan C tan A. Similarly, cot of A plus B plus C will also be S1 minus S3 by 1 minus S2. Please find the difference between these two. This S1 in terms of tan, here in terms of cot. Both are not same. both are not same. Okay, both are not same, they are different. This is in terms of tan, this is in terms of cot. Now, if a plus b plus c is odd multiple of pi by 2, listen to me carefully. If a plus b plus c is odd multiple of pi by 2, what happens? Tan is not defined, so denominator is 0, S2 is equal to 1. You see, this is the result. S2 means tan A tan B plus tan B tan C plus tan C tan A is 1. Cot becomes 0, so numerator is 0, so S1 is equal to S3. You see, cot A plus cot B plus cot C is equal to cot A, cot B, cot C. Fine. The next, guys, if A plus B plus C is n pi, yeah, tan becomes 0, so numerator is 0, so S1 is equal to S3. Pi stands for here product. Pi is also used as a symbol for product. So, sigma tan A means tan A plus tan B plus tan C is equal to tan A tan B tan C, and when this is n pi, cot is not defined, so denominator is 0, so you will get sigma cot A cot B is 1. That means S2 is equal to 1. Right, guys? So, with the help of which we can go to this question. So, before going to this question, guys, you might have, so far what did we discuss? All of you see, so far I have derived formula for cos of A plus B. Okay, all of you see here, all of you respond, all of you participate in the discussion, respond here, chart here, right? So, college, when will it start? It starts very soon. It depends on your branch. You will get a call, they will inform you when the college gets started. Okay, right? So, before that, guys, you see, I mean to say, first we have derived formula for cos of A plus B and then cos of A minus B. Similarly, sin of A plus B, sin of A minus B, right? The next, I can say, we have derived formula for tan of A plus B, tan of A minus B, cot of A plus B, cot of A minus B we have derived. Okay, right? Then, dear students, with the help of which we have been doing certain problems here and there. Likit, add those two words. Okay, right, right. Array, before that, many of you still didn't like the video. We have been giving the valuable content. So, like the video, subscribe our channel. So, dear students, not only these, will be giving alerts related to JEE, of course, other exams, trends and important chapters, quick revisions, formulae, all these things will take place here. So subscribe it, you will be getting the alerts time to time, right? So, this is very, very important. Subscribe to our channel and like the video, forward to your friends and add energy to our classes. Okay, and you, no problem, Likit, just I said. Okay, yeah, no problem, no problem. Right. So, oh, okay, fine, no issue. Right, everyone, guys, chalo. Okay, fine. Now, guys, what is the answer for this question? Come on, quick. Tan 8a minus tan 5a minus tan 3a. Guys, here what we are going to do is, you see, you take one angle as 8a, second angle as minus 5a, third angle as minus 3a. These are three angles, dear students. So, like A plus B plus C is 0. You see, first angle plus second angle plus third angle is 0. 0 means like n pi. So, if A plus B plus C is n pi, I told here, if A plus B plus C is n pi, what is the result in terms of tan? Yeah, sigma tan A is pi tan A. That means tan A plus tan B plus tan C is equal to tan A, tan B tan C. Correct? So if this is the case guys, here one minus minus comes, so it becomes plus, which is exactly equal to this term. You will get minus here, which is exactly equal to this term. So therefore K value must be 1. Clear? Okay ma, Likit, no problem, no issue, don't worry. Yeah, focus here, no problem. Okay, right, chalo. Come on, quick guys, quick. Yeah. Next, you see this question, sine A is given as 1 by root 10 and this is sine B or cos B is given. Okay, then A plus B, no, we'll take another question. Yeah, if ABC are acute angles guys, given tan A 1 by 2, tan B 1 by 5, tan C 1 by 8, what can you say about the angle A plus B plus C? Come on quick, try to answer this. No problem Likit, no issue. Chalo. Right everyone, try to answer the question. All of you please try. Please try all of you guys. Yes. Yes please. Can understand man. No worries. Yeah. Right. So tan A given, tan B is given, tan C is given. I just want A plus B plus C value. Okay. Right. So you just consider guys, tan of A plus B plus C, you consider. Tan formula is tan A plus tan B plus tan C minus tan A tan B tan C by 1 minus tan A tan B minus tan B tan C minus tan C tan A. This is the formula for tan of A plus B plus C. Guys, in this case, I mean to say, you just multiply the numerator and denominator with 2 into 5 into 8. So that this becomes 40, this becomes 16, this becomes 10 minus 1 by 2 into 5 into 8 will become 80 minus this becomes 8, this is 2, this is 5, which gives, this is 66 minus 1, 65 by 65, which is 1. Tan of A plus B plus C is 1. What can you say about the answer guys? Quick, what is the answer? Tan of A plus B plus C is 1. What can you say about A plus B plus C? So which option is correct? A, B, C, D. Which option is correct? Quick. Which option is correct? So I am expecting your response guys. What is the answer for this? 45 degrees, Jitendra. So pi by 4. Option C is the right answer. Option C is the right answer. Perfect guys, perfect. All of you, yeah, that's good, that's nice. So tan of A plus B plus C formula can be given in that way, right? Then next, yeah, can somebody answer this question? Come on quick. In triangle ABC, given tan A plus tan B plus tan C is equal to 6 and tan A tan B is 2, then the triangle is, try to answer guys, all of you, quick, come on, try to answer. Simple question. Very good Likit, nice, that's good. So fine. So what is the answer for this? Just please work on it. A simple formula that I have given now, if you use, you will get the answer. The problem seems to be bit tricky, but this is very easy. Just try this. Let me see who will answer. So the triangle ABC is right angled or isosceles or acute angled or obtuse angled. What is your response? Let me see guys. Let me see. So before that, Clear? Fine. But only a few students, 1 A option, okay, good, you tried, I appreciate. So right angle triangle, you mean to say Ikshit, option B, or Pujita, option B, isosceles. Okay, shall we check, dear students? Shall I explain? Shall we go to the discussion of this point, dear students? Chalo, you see, in triangle ABC, what is the result related to tan A, tan B, tan C? We know that tan A plus tan B plus tan C, which is 6, is equal to tan A into tan B into tan C. We know this result. In triangle ABC, tan A plus tan B plus tan C is tan A plus tan B plus tan C is tan A, tan B, tan C. So this is 6 is this. Already given tan A, tan B value is 2. And hence you got tan C value is 3. Fine. If tan C is 3 here, you will get tan A plus tan B value is going to be 3 and tan A tan B value is going to be 2. Now you try to answer this, guys. Sum is 3, product is 2. So there are nothing but 1 comma 2. Of these, maybe tan A 1, tan B is 2. You see, perfectly it is fine now. 1, 2, 3 are tan A, tan B, tan C. If the angles are 1, 2, 3, guys, so definitely A, B and 3, A, B, C must be different angles. Correct. So if one of the angles is 90, tan of that is not defined, right angle is ruled out. If isosceles, two sides equal means two angles must be equal, so two of these must be equal, it is not isosceles. If it is obtuse angle triangle, one of the angles must be more than 90, that means tan of that value must be negative, but no such values, it is not obtuse angle. Therefore, our answer must be option C. Correct, everyone? Correct. So, those who understand the question, text here, guys. So, text the answer C. Those who understand, those who are following here, listening here, text here, option C. Let me see, guys. Let me see your response C on the screen. Quick, quick, quick. Quick, guys. Yes. Fine. Thank you. Nitya, Stella, Sriya, Sai, Ikshit. Very nice. Ajay, Srikar. Nice. Very good. That's good. That's good. Really appreciable. Right. The next question. So before we go to this question, dear students, what did we learn today? So what are the important points in today's discussion, guys? In today's discussion, important points were, we discussed about compound angles. Compound angles means combination of two or more angles. That means if A plus B related information is given, sine of A plus B, sine of A minus B formula, cos of A plus B, cos of A minus B formula. Then tan of A plus B, tan of A minus B, cot of A plus B, cot of A minus B. Basic formulae we have derived. The next, with the help of which we have done some simple problems. One observation is, if A plus B is pi by 4, 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B will become 2. And most importantly, Pushpa 3 ki dubbing చెప్పాలా? Try చేస్తా, తప్పకుండా చెప్తా. Okay? Yeah. Right, guys. The next, I mean to say, all of you, point number 3, I'd like to say, tan of A plus B plus C formula, cot of A plus B plus C formula will come like S1 minus S3 by 1 minus S2. But of course, tan it will be in terms of tan, cot it will be in terms of cot. Now, if a plus b plus c is n pi or a plus b plus c is odd multiple of pi by 2, accordingly we have got certain results, and we have done some simple problems based on this. Friends, all these things will be repeated again in your class. So all these things will help you to understand those lectures easily, right? So mostly tomorrow's lecture, guys, so maybe my last class. So there I am going to do some more problems of trigonometry, but at the same time, the most importantly, we are going to summarize the most important points of our discussion all over the 20 lectures that we have done. Okay, so we will be doing, right? So don't miss tomorrow's class. Definitely will have lot of edutainment, right? So clear, dear students? Fine. So, okay. So that's all for the day, guys. Catch you in the next class. Take care. Bye. See you.